Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, I am done with my 5 kilometer run and my 100 push-ups, and today is my 30th day. So I successfully completed my challenge. Very happy about it. But the thing which I notice is, the happiness is always in the it's always in the journey, okay? Because like when I was doing like moving towards this journey during my last 30 days, or like maybe day before that time, so I was always feeling some kind of push from inside, some kind of energy and all. But when like it was today's date, because today is the final day of this challenge, so I did not felt that much amount of push or positivity or challenge or whatever, like, because I knew that I already did it, and like now there's no more, again, nothing like beyond this point. Like there can be a new challenge, but this challenge is over. So that is what I felt from my heart, so I thought of sharing it. And it feels good, it feels very nice, because as I said before, I haven't done something like this ever before in my life, where I did something for 30 days. I did a lot of exercise. I have been doing exercise for past like 20 years now, but not something like this, when I did not take when I did not took rest even for one day. And this regime was kind of brutal, because when you're doing any kind of exercise, and that too repetitive exercise, your joints, especially in this running, your hip joint, your ankle, your knee, they kind of suffer a lot, because they are under that tension every day and they don't get time to get relaxed. But as I said in my previous videos, that I took care of this inflammation through my diet, through extensive stretching. I use foam roller, I use massage gun, I use a heating belt, I sat in warm water jacuzzi. So I did a lot of things. I had good amount of diet. I had a lot of cherries and blueberries and berries, basically turmeric, all the anti-inflammatory kind of thing, oats, quinoa, chia seeds, flax seeds, like almost every day. If not every day, then every other day. So I did a lot of like care of my body, because I knew I had to run every day, so it's going to take a lot from me. So I took care of it, and because I don't want any injury, did not wanted any injury for myself, so that I get off track and then I have to motivate myself again, and prepare myself so that I can do this once again. So successfully I was able to take care of my body internally, externally, both ways. So I was able to do this, and so now I would be taking maybe a day or two, or maybe like a week. I haven't decided it yet, but I'll be taking some rest days. And after that, I have made another 30-day plan for myself, where I would be running every day. I haven't decided whether it has to be like 5 kilometers every day or whatever, but I'm going to run like 5 day a week, 5 day a week, and 2 days I'm going to dedicate for yoga, because my next goal is to become a yoga trainer here in Ontario. And I had bought a yoga course, like I think maybe a couple of months back, but I went through the course here and there, but did not started pursuing it professionally, properly. So that is my goal: 2 days yoga, 5 day running, and that's a game. So thank you so much for supporting me, whosoever watched this video. My wife and my uncle, they are two people who have been constantly pushing me in the forward direction. So thank you so much for that, for doing that. And yeah, I shall see you in my next series. And as I said before, one more thing I forgot, that I'll be doing some mental health series and all. So I'll be making those videos very soon, and then I'll be sharing those with you guys, and I hope it helps. And thank you so much for watching the videos. I hope you also got some value from the videos, and you also tried, or maybe trying, to get out of your comfort zone. So let me know in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Hi guys, so today is day number 30, the final day of this challenge. I feel like what I learned in this running today is the happiness is in the journey. There's no happiness sitting at the destination. No happiness at all. I'm finding it difficult to motivate myself, because today is the final day of the challenge. I was much more motivated in the previous days. Anyways, I just thought of recording this. I'll see you in a while.